Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a single arm row in quadruped. So let's start off with that quadruped. Quadruped is going to be shoulders, elbows, wrists, all in one straight line, knees directly below the hips, tuck the toes under, and just bring your knees like an inch or two off the floor. This is not our quadruped. This is our quadruped. Now we're going to add in that row, which is really great for making the back stronger, and it's also going to provide stability because we're only going to be using one hand or one arm to hold us up. So we're working shoulder stability of the base arm, but then this guy, we're going to be increasing strength throughout our back and our shoulder. So the thing here is we cannot rotate the way that our body wants to, because this is also an anti-rotation exercise, which is really great for trunk strength and stability. So when we come into our quadruped, we've got our dumbbell here. You probably want to bring your legs a little bit further apart. Having them close together is going to make it hard to not twist. So we want to have a good base here, and then we're just going to simply row. It's not super comfortable. It's a little bit awkward because that dumbbell is going to want to touch the ground. So if you want to put your hands up on something, you are more than welcome to do that, like a plate or something like that, just to give yourself more room. But being that this is such a movement that is working so many different aspects of the body, you're probably not going to be going super heavy here, because I would imagine when I go super heavy here, I'm kind of all over the place. And that's not the point. We want to save those really strong back exercises for a split stance row or something like that. So coming into our quadruped, we do not want to rotate open. We want to work against the rotation to increase the trunk strength. So for more exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.